Welcome to DPP2 for class 11 units and measurement chapter. So in today's session, we are going to solve numericals based on dimensional analysis application. So the first problem, convert one dyne into Newton. So we are going to convert one dyne, which is CGS unit, into Newton SI unit based on dimensional analysis method. CGS unit, the left hand side, and the SI unit, the right hand side. N1. In the question, they have given you one dyne. So N1 will be 1. N2, we are going to find it out. Mass will be written as 1 gram. L1, 1 centimeter. Time, 1 second. Similarly, here mass in SI unit, it should be represented as 1 kg, but I just want to convert into gram. So it will be 1000 gram. So length will be 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Time, 1 second. So we know the general formula. Your N2 will be equal to N1, M1 by M2 whole power A, L1 by L2 whole power B, T1 by T2 whole power C. So substituting these values in this N2 formula will get N2 will be equal to N1 is 1, M1 is 1 gram divided by M2 is 1000 gram power A. Similarly, L1 is 1 centimeter, your L2 is 100 centimeter power B. Time is 1 second, T2 also is 1 second to the power C. So rearranging will be getting gram will get cancelled. 10 power 1000 when it goes to the numerator, it becomes 10 power minus 3, the power A. Centimeter will get cancelled. 10 power minus 2, the power B. This is 1 second power C. Now we'll take our force. The dimensional formula for force is MLT power minus 2. So comparing these two, okay, here I'll put A, this is B and this is C. So comparing, we'll get A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to minus 2. Substituting, will get 10 power minus 3, the whole power 1, 10 power minus 2, the whole power 1, 1 whole power minus 2. So which is equal to 10 power minus 3 minus 2. So it is 10 power minus 5. So N2 is minus 5. So from my question, I can tell 1 dyne equal to 10 power minus 5 Newton. We'll move on to the second question. If the value of universal gravitational constant in SI unit. So in the second problem, they gave you an SI unit asking you to convert to CGS unit. So I'll write SI unit left hand side and CGS unit right hand side. So N1 is given as 6.6 into 10 power minus 11. M1 will be 1 kilogram, which can be written as 1000 gram. L1 will be L1 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter. T1 equal to 1 second. For CGS unit, N2 we are going to find it out. M2 will be 1 gram, L2 will be 1 centimeter and T2 will be 1 second. The same way, substituting the values in the formula, N2 equal to N1, M1 by M2 the whole power A, L1 by L2 the whole power B, T1 by T2 the whole power C. So N1 is 6.6 into 10 power minus 11. M1, here M1 is in terms of SI unit. So 1 kilogram, that can be written as 1000 gram by 1 gram whole power A. Here it is 100 centimeter by 1 centimeter whole power B. As usual, 1 second by 1 second whole power C. So 6.6 into 10 power minus 11, 10 power 3 the whole power A, 10 power 2 the whole power B, 1 power the whole power C. So I'll take to find A, B, C, compare the values with the dimensional formula for G. So which is M power minus 1 L cube T power minus 2. From this, I'll get A equal to minus 1, B equal to 3, and C equal to minus 2. Substituting will get N2 will be equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 11, 10 power 3 whole power minus 1, 10 power 2 whole power 3, and 1 power minus 2. So, which will be 6.6 into 10 power minus 11, 10 power 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 2 into 6 is 6. So 6.6 into 10 power minus 14 plus 6, which is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 8. This is my N2. Now 6.6 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kg power minus 2 can be written as 6.6 into 10 power minus 8 Dian centimeter square gram power minus 2. We'll move on to the third problem. The density of mercury is 13.6 gram per centimeter cube. It is given in CGS. We are going to convert into SI unit. So for the third problem, we are going to convert the density from CGS unit to SI unit. So N1 is given as 13.6. N2 we are going to find it out. M1 will be 1 gram. L1 will be 1 centimeter. T1 equal to 1 second. Similarly here M2 equal to 1000 gram. L2 equal to 100 centimeter and T2 equal to 1 second. Substituting the values in the formula will be getting the answer as N1 is 13.6, M1 is 1 gram divided by 1000 gram, the whole power A. Similarly, 1 centimeter by 1000 centimeter, the whole power B. And 1 second by 1 second, the whole power C. Which can be written as N2 equal to 13.6, 10 power minus 3, the whole power A, 10 power minus 2, the whole power B, 1 power C. Now, the density formula. The dimensional density is mass by volume. Therefore, the dimensional formula for density is ml power minus 3. Comparing will get A equal to 1, B equal to minus 3, C equal to 0. Therefore, N2 will be 13.6, 10 power minus 3 the whole power 1, 10 power minus 2 whole power minus 3, 1 power 0. So N2 will be 13.6 into 10 power minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 will be plus 6. So N2 equal to 13.6 into 10 power plus 3. Therefore, 13.6 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 13.6 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for more DPP problem. Have a nice day.